Hi guys, in this video we have to draw cyndaquil, the Pokemon, the fire type Pokemon. Okay, let's start. First we have to draw a circle, don't have to be a perfect one, just a simple one. After that we have to add a oval, that oval going to be the cyndaquil body, yep. Okay, we have to draw now the snout. For the snout, we have to use a kind of triangle. Yep, like a triangle for the snout. And now look like a a pear. But okay. Now I'm drawing some detail about the head. Here I add the eyes, just one. That is a nice new, my people. Let me correct something about the body. A question for you, what is your favorite Pokemon? Write below in the box comment what is your favorite Pokemon or your best Pokemon, and maybe I'm going to draw it in the next video. For the arms, you only have to draw circles or ovals, and that's all. Now we start with the legs. This one have to be bigger than the second one for the distance, the perception. Okay, that's all. Now we have to use the eraser for clean some details.
Much later.
And now we have to draw in this line, and that is almost all the work. And let me add the fire behind his back. For the fire, you only have to draw lions. That's all. This one, another one, and blah blah blah. You got it. And after we finish that Pokemon, it's time to lions, the ink part. So let's start. And now this our draw, our Cyndaquil. This is my favorite Pokemon, to be honest with you.